Hey everybody, how's it going today? My name is Kip and you're watching America Bumper to Bumper. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. We're on to the 6th video of the Rutland car show presented by the RAVE Car Club. Let's get into it. Vroom. Alright, starting off this video with a car that we've seen several times. This is a Starsky and Hutch tribute car, Ford Gran Torino. Believe this would be a 63 C10 Chevy pickup. Really awesome, very plain utilitarian truck, which is what trucks used to be. You know, the people didn't use them as buy them as status symbols. They bought them to use. This is a great looking truck. '37 Ford 5-window coupe. We have looked at this at one other previous show, but this interior is just insane, so I had to show it again. So sweet. And another really cool one here. This is a 1970 Dodge Challenger RT convertible. This is a 383 car. If this car had the 440 engine in it, in this color, with the manual transmission, everything that this car has, this would be one of like 6 cars. But as it is, this is still pretty rare. But this is like a 1 in 60 or 70. So not quite as rare as the Hemi car, but still pretty damn cool. Now we're looking at 2015 Mustang. Love the louvers on this car. And here's, I believe it's a 73 Ford Gran Torino Sport. It's really nice. If I remember what the owner said, all original. May have had a repaint years before, but everything else, I believe he said it was original. And this is a 2017 Mustang. I love the stripes on here at each end, how it kind of fades off into the light yellow, or the light black, I'm sorry. Very nice touch. Really lets this one stand out just a bit. And this is an 82 Mustang. This we've seen at other shows, but this is the same owner has owned this car since new. He ordered it just the way he wanted it and has kept it all these years, so it's always worth taking a look at a car like that again. Now we're looking at a 1936 Chevy pickup. Nice little straight rod here. Love those instrument cluster there. It's just beautiful. Very subtle pinstriping here and there. And now we're looking at a 74 Pontiac GTO. This was after the GTO's heyday. This was built on the Pontiac Ventura platform. rather than a bespoke GTO platform, but it kept the name alive for a few more years. And here we have a 1966 Ford Thunderbird. Exceptionally clean car in and out. Gotta say, out of this era of Thunderbird, I love those rear taillights. Really looks great on this car. Now we're looking at 68 Chevy Van 90. The 90 stood for a 90 wheelbase, 90-inch wheelbase, and this is, like I said with the Van previous video, looks like a really fun shaggin' wagon. And now we're looking at 1953 Chevy 3100 5-window pickup. Very nice interior on this one. (1934) 3-window coupe. It's a Ford. Pinstriping on this car is absolutely stunning. Very, very well done. 1972 Buick Skylark. Skylarks were built on the same platforms as Chevelles and old Cutlasses, Pontiac GTO, Tempest. So now we're looking at a 1955 Packard 400. This is kind of Packard's last hurrah before they ceased production. But this is a beautiful car. (1966) Chevelle. There's a great story behind this car that I hope the owner is going to get back in touch with me, and we're going to potentially do a video on this car alone, so keep an eye out for that. Sitting next to the 66 Chevelle is a 66 Nova SS. These two cars are both a part of the For the Car Guys Car Club. They didn't get unable to park next to their buddies from the previous videos, but these guys are a bunch of really great guys. 1969 Ford Fairlane Cobra. This we've seen in several other car videos, so I don't go into a lot of detail on this, and I'll try to link something here so you can check out more of it. And last car for this video is this Subaru WRX. If you have watched some of my older videos, this is a very good friend of Cody Benoit, who has the 09 Legacy that I did the video of. This car, again, might be one that we do an individual video on. I'm waiting to hear back from him on that as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. And as I said in the beginning, if you're not a subscriber yet, please hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you know that when new videos are being uploaded. Finally, keep track of all of our social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, because there might be stuff there you will not see here. Have a day. Hopefully it's a good one.